Right now at 5:30, measles concerns are on the rise here in Connecticut. Middlesex Hospital treated another suspected case of the measles over the weekend, and the number of cases in the U.S. continues to climb.
If you think you're not at risk, think again. NBC Connecticut's Amy Parmenter is live outside the Department of Public Health in Hartford with more. Amy.
Well, Lisa, it's long been known that travel can expose people to diseases that they might not otherwise come across, but health officials say that it's travel back and forth to the Philippines that is responsible for a measles outbreak now taking place across the country. Middlesex Hospital has reported another suspected case of measles, and though they offered no additional information, Dr. Robert Levitz, an infectious disease specialist at Hartford Hospital, says there is indeed an outbreak of the potentially fatal virus, once considered to be eradicated here in the U.S.
From January to June, there's more than twice as many cases in the United States as there has been, say, in the last 20 years.
In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control, there have been more than 500 cases already this year. And the reason, health officials say, is the disastrous typhoon that hit the Philippines in November, sending many of our aid workers there and bringing refugees here.
People from the Philippines coming to the United States having disease and then spreading secondarily to people in the United States who were not vaccinated.
We have a number of cases under investigation.
Kathy Kudish, an epidemiologist with the State Department of Health, says so far the CDC has only confirmed 3 cases of the measles in Connecticut. But she says that's 3 more than in most years. Travel, she agrees, is the biggest risk factor, and getting vaccinated is key to prevention.
90% of the cases have not been vaccinated.
Now, Kudish says that it's never too late to get the MMR or the measles vaccine. If you're not sure whether or not you've had it, a simple blood test can tell, or she says there's no harm in getting it again. We're live tonight in Hartford. I'm Amy Parmenter, NBC Connecticut News. Brad.
All right, thanks, Amy. And according to the Centers for